when I touched the person who bought my mom these headsets.
Okay, Mr. Dewey, we are so sorry that you didn't get the job. You just don't qualify.
You know what? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You know, this morning I was praying to God. I was like, God, when I get there, I shouldn't get this job. You know, I shouldn't get this
Hi,
job.
but why would you wish yourself something like that?
You know, my grandmother would be very disappointed if I got this job because she has always wanted me to run the family business. And this morning when I saw it on the news, I was like, if my grandmother finds out that I'm looking for a job elsewhere, she's gonna kill me.
Wait, your grandmother was on the news?
Yes.
Who is your grandmother?
My grandmother she's a very popular actress, you know, like, I don't really like to talk about it, but I mean, she has been on TV for like more than 30 years now, you know. You probably know her. Your name is like Lillian too.
Oh my God, I can't believe it. She's your grandmother?
Yeah, she's my grandmother.
Oh my word. I'm so sorry we couldn't give you the job.
Oh, no, it's okay.
But you're fine.
Exactly, you know, and my uncle is also on TV, you know, and it's just, since my dad passed away, my dad was a singer, and now my uncle, I'm sure you know my uncle if you watch those clientele TV ads. His name is Desmond Dube. You probably
I know him. He's an actor too.
Exactly, like, you know, like he would be mad. He would be mad. Like he always wants me to. He has always wanted me to run the family company and my dad's music.
I can imagine. Who is your dad though?
My dad was such a legend. Guess. Can you guess who my dad is?
I'm trying to think, but I'm so bad with guessing. Who is he? Who is he? Let me think.
Guess.
Lucky Dube. Lucky Dube. Highway, now he's your dad. Your family is so famous.
And me too, I'm trying to like do my thing on social media as well. So I'm probably born for something else, not this one.
Totally.
It's okay.
Totally, I agree with you. Wow.
Yeah, I was just like trying my luck, you know. As somebody who grew up like being surrounded by famous people and money, you know, I just wanted to try something new, but it's fine. No, it's fine. Okay, I'll just have to take my leave now.
I wish I can give you the job.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'm okay. I'll be fine.
You already rich anyways.
Hamba. Isikwa saphela size some la. Njalo kilo ulana. Woza. Nali wingobolita sosaseli. Oh, shame at last.
Hi.
Ntsathu.
Rinzi.
So, unayisebenzisa.
Can I say thank you?
Kuitira lang. Kupala number tsa hao fe. Number.
Abuti, can I more, honey? I'm taking.
Hello.
Hi.
Ntsatsu.
Hi, Kisha.
Nice jo.
Thank you.
Unna
Can I'm around?
kwa noma.
Can be pale.
Babe. Esho itse ke jaile ka itse lono jahile itse a re reng fe di number fe.
I can get the number with.
Ka o kopela.
I can ya.
Ka o kopela.
I can ya. Okay.
Wa ngira ya ma.
Abuti maram faster.
Ma o type ya ene bo nga o fa bana ba ntshi.
A ke banya ke mpona ko monyane bya. Nga se khono ira ba.
Nka o iro moholo sawa. Na lo ena for e.
Awu abuti kana o give up.
O re ngo bechi o nya ba.
Awu abuti ke tla founela maphodisa bona.
O se nna phodisa mana.
Awu abuti.
Ka o kopela.
Abuti next time ne. O credit type tsa hao.
Jo, mamacita.
Hi.
Ditsanga.
Rinzi.
Jo bo. wena kale ko hafa shu
Nkitsetsa ka ya buti.
ke na lo bona ke o itse mara ke na lo bona
bana-
so ke nyoko tra o itse o itlhabai
Yeah.
o itse a rireng fe di-number tsa gago cause ka bona nka re jaile
Nka se kgone go fa di-number tsa gago wait. Ke fetsa tsena in a relationship no no.
wa jalo
Yeah.
o jalo ma
Le motho ha ka mami a o no re nka go botsa ena.
o wampotsa bona ngwana
A go phote.
wa pona
Ka fona. Au a
o na le
buti
beyonce ona mo mogasi
a ke re bjao.
so wa yo hana di-number tsa
Ke tsaka ke.
I don't care ke re fe di-number
Abuti a ke batle.
motho ke mambotse motho
A na le bitso.
a na le bitso wa pona
A se re ka
ke re go apeletseng fe di-number tseo
la bana ba no.
ko hapeletse na
Skang hapelletsa ke nyake.
foke ka o zama le burfile
Tjo.
bona le rao la teng
You didn't buy this goddamn cigarette, asshole. Hey man, shut the fuck up sometimes. Glasses, was missing a number, asshole. Hey, fuck you, man.
So my brother, a woman is pregnant.
I'll take you out.
No,
Wait,
of course
she's pregnant now.
Shame.
She's pregnant now.
No. Hayi uyibonya mam.
Upapa wena. Upaphiswa yini? Usikhulumela sonke baba. Awona nisuthi mbafethu. Aha. No impuphu. Awafethu. Akuthola sibuye ezidla. Sohlani manje, ilambi kanje mfethu. Sohlani. Ish.
Entwana, urinda. Sharp. Ntwana o tseke ne ke bolela le Peter Montshari ne o tshetse ka bo 1. Amputuru o tlhakana le wena. So ke boletse le ena ka bo 4. No ke re ka mo founela ke mo kry. Ke kopela mo fe phone. Cause o le one le wena. Vai. Ya so fitlo va ile na go ma. Only busy le barabari ka electricity. Wena manu husband te wadi fa mai je kilo from Kowen. Nelile kai nelile ko wena nelile kai. Ko re o boletse ka midrand na o mo wena. O nelise midrand. Oh, maybe I can go up. No, no flop ke tla nna ntse ke mo check. Okay, on a flop ntwana.
You know what I can't stand is when people say, oh, $4 billion would you?
Yes.
There's no thought process that needs to go through my head for me to answer that question. And then they say, oh, but you didn't even let me finish. You don't need to finish. Pause. What do you mean? Oh, you didn't let me finish. Like, there's no need for you to say whatever you were going to say because I already know what my answer is. Let's just save time on this conversation and speed it up.
Where's my billion?
$4 billion with a B, the letter B. You're telling me there's something you wouldn't do for $1 billion? For $1 billion, like you're asking the wrong person. For $1 billion, would you?
Because the answer is yes.
Like, do you really think I'm about to say no to something for $1 billion? Who do you think I am?
Nilihlo lemala lona. Ifuneke ya Loftus. Ay. Nilihlo lemala strong.
Akina bana kuba musali. Bana kuba musali. Bana kuba musali na barbabe. Awuzebe mdla.
o ya mo ke mo re kopana mo teng mo a ono ra o itse go nya ka ba ro tlhazuna ta a itse story mara mo ba no botsa ka se mo tsaka mara disadvantage go o kopana le batho bo ba itse ba re bala ka tsi ro kire ne ya